Welcome guys to another crayfish update video, and today we're continuing increasing our productivity on the farm here, and we've got all our baby crayfish to move. Now some of you will not recognise this construction in the background, and it's because we've had our main building chap and his son build 3 new tanks for us. You're going to pop him in here. So the first one's getting released. We've got more than one.
New home.
And away. Now I have been quite well organised, believe it or not guys. I did take some footage of our main guy doing the building work, so his son was helping him out. Not quite the same standard of work as his dad, but yeah, collectively they did a great job. And it's thanks to you guys on Patreon and watching our videos and all that sort of thing, helping with the ad revenue that's made this possible. So we've got an update coming soon, more about that sort of thing. But enjoy the build process, and then we'll show you to releasing all the mini krakens. Now we're going to transfer the baby crayfish into the first tank. We'll be doing the other ones as the population ever increases. What we're going to do is empty these tanks that have had the crayfish hatching in. We're going to empty them into the net. We're going to get rid of the old water. But what that should do, as well as catching the crayfish, the leftover bits of algae will get caught in the net, and they can be added into the tank as well for the crayfish to eat.
Oh wow.
อะไรเนี่ย
ไปแล้ว
Right then, tip them out.
Yeah.
See what we got.
เร็ว
And we have been getting a few rogue tadpoles. Watch the flow, missus. Watch me flow. Any tadpoles that need to come out.
Yeah, I know that.
I'm telling people who are watching, missus.
Oh. So you tell them.
Can't see anything. Going all right?
Okay. There they are. Here, I'll show you in here. How many there? 4, 5, 6 now.
No, we're not going to count them. That's a good size, that first one you put in.
You can see on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, there are a lot in here, honey.
Well, the whole lot needs to go in for the algae.
Look at them.
Toon just wants to take some of the dead leaves that are decaying out of there, and then we're going to put the rest in. If it's going to take too long just to pick each individual crayfish out, and you'll miss loads anyway. And so I'll just show you what we've set up as regards the accommodation. So evenly spaced out in here, we've utilised our old plastic containers that when you buy rice noodle, they normally come in here. They fill them up with rice noodles and then put cellophane over the top. So we've just cut the sides out a little bit and then put a red block over the top, which have also got holes in the side. So there's plenty of places for them to hide, but we're going to put a lot more vegetation in here as well. I can see a guppy in there. Don't want too many in here, but a handful will be all right, just to keep on top of the mosquitoes. So don't be concerned then it looks dirty, guys. This is the algae that the little crayfish feed on, and as they get bigger then we'll gradually increase the amount of additional feed that we put in there. A couple of guppies, female and a male there.
Oh, look at them. Look at them, look at them. Look, they're all in there.
Yeah.
Wow. You think you not got many, but
Yeah.
you look properly, they are. You see them?
No.
You not? Yeah. They're on the floor now. Look at my finger. Here, they're on here. Let break. Ding, 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 ding.
Checking out the new accommodation, aren't they? Straight in.
Yeah. One in here. Hey.
Wow, super speed, and then he smacked himself into the wall.
You do my job.
It's quite a lot to go.
Yeah.
I'd like to help, but I've got to hold the camera, haven't I?
No, don't mind. Oh, Nina.
You lost one?
Oh.
Terrible. If that gets into the river, you're going to get in trouble with the Thai government. Once we've emptied all these tanks and stocked this tank up with them, then we'll be cleaning these tanks out, refilling them, and catching the pregnant females again. Wow. And so it continues, and then the next lot will go into the middle tank, and then so on. You seen our new goose? She's not much trouble, but she didn't lay many eggs. Just be very careful when you're emptying your crayfish, guys, because they do stick onto the side of the tank very, very well, and it's easy to miss them. Oh, that's a nice one.
Beautiful. Oh, see that?
Yeah.
Hey.
Even with my bad eyesight.
I think about 500 in here.
So far.
I think all the bowl we got, I think more than 1,000 easy.
So the idea is get them up to, I don't know, about 1.5 inches size, and then these will go out into the main grow out pond. If we get any what we call shooters, which are ones that grow incredibly quicker than the main lot, then we'll keep them as breeding stock. Because these little black tanks that we use for hatching aren't very tall, the wild frogs like to get in there for the sexy time. And if you don't spot the tadpoles early enough, then we're pretty sure once the tadpoles get quite big, then they would eat the small crayfish. Toon's getting hacked off with them in the juvenile snail tank here. Although there's loads and loads of snails, the tadpoles have grown very, very quickly, and Toon's convinced they're eating her snails.
Definitely. Ow, crayfish in here.
Hmm? Big one? I thought we emptied it. Oh, she's not hatched yet.
Oh, baby.
Leave her for a few days and
Leave her on here somewhere.
we nearly threw her in. Ah, she was the late one, wasn't she, that we got out the other tank?
Oh, I got her baby. Oi. I'm not squashed them, am I?
We've been trying to do jobs out of the sun, guys. It's so hot here. It's just been crazy. The humidity's so high. So we thought, right, today we'll do
Fish and skin.
We'll do the crayfish.
Guppy, gibber, whatever.
This oxygenating weed is very, very important, guys. If you can get hold of some of that, your baby crayfish, once they're a few weeks old, they'll start eating that. We're putting the morning glory in there. If you can get hold of rosette water lettuce or hyacinth, anything with a root system, and the crayfish will hide in there and eat. Not many in there.
No, go with that.
Oh, they're all in the weed.
Big one there on the wall. They check their new wall. Look, they all check your new. They spread out everywhere.
Exploring now.
I think they buy your property. That is a big one. They go check your property, honey. Honey.
Where?
They made your property gate. I think they follow the weed. Yeah, I think they follow the weed.
If you want to see how to set up your little hatching tanks using these, we've got a video on that. What are you laughing at, Mrs?
Scorpion.
Scorpion?
Look, I have to save them, innit?
Well,
Haley, you made me jump.
saved you.
What you doing?
Killed it.
I got to cut the tail off and let them go.
Too said she could have just cut the tail off and let them go, but I've been stung too many times by scorpions, and so is she. So that's one back for the Falang, that is. Trying to level up the scores.
That is.
Right guys, that's it for today, and it won't be so long next time till we do a crayfish update. Probably when we've got a load more babies to put in the next one, and then we'll have a check on, see how these have been growing. Cheers then.
Ta-da! Bye.